In this video, I'm going to show you how to set MSN as your homepage on Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make MSN the first page you see every time you open Edge, so you can quickly check news, weather, entertainment, and everything else you like to keep up with. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots. This opens the main menu where you can access all of Edge's settings and custom options. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the browser settings page where you can control how Edge behaves when it opens. On the left sidebar, look for the option that says Start, Home, and New Tabs and click it. This section is where you can customize what happens when Edge launches, what your homepage looks like, and what your new tabs display. Now, under the section labeled When Edge Starts, select Open These Pages. This tells Edge that instead of opening a blank page or continuing where you left off, it should open a specific website every time. Next, click Add a New Page. A box will appear where you can enter the website you want Edge to open on startup. Type http:/msn.com into the field, then click Add. Once you do that, MSN will be added to your startup pages and Edge will load it automatically the next time you launch the browser. If you want MSN to be your main starting page, this is the key step that makes it happen. At this point, you can close the Settings tab and test it out by closing and reopening Microsoft Edge. You should now see MSN load as your homepage or startup page, depending on your Edge settings. If you ever want to change it later, just come back to the same Start, Home, and New Tabs menu and edit the page list anytime. And that's it. You've successfully set MSN as your homepage on Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.